Okay, second graders, we are starting Number Corner for Tuesday, October 20th. We are going to start with our calendar today, and we're looking at some of the charts that we have on our calendar. So back on the 16th, we have a card that looks like this if you look up on the screen, and we're going to do a little bit of our graph work so that we can make a title and just kind of go over what this chart could mean. I'm calling it a chart, I guess, but there's actually a better name for it. What would we call this that we're looking at? Ooh, okay, it does have pictures, but it's not a pictograph because we're using something else right here. Bar graph, right? But you're right that it has pictures too. So we are looking at a bar graph.
It tries to trick you.
What do you guys think this bar graph is telling us about? Emmett?
Which people like to ride bikes or skateboards?
Yeah, so most likely the survey question is, hey, you're gonna knock that off. Thanks, I'm afraid you're gonna knock the iPad over. So what this one is telling us, or what the survey question was asking us, is probably something like, which do you like better, skateboarding or bike riding? So we could turn that question into a title at the top so that it's not, ending in a question mark. We can kind of rearrange some of the words to make it more of a statement in a way, or a phrase. Can anybody think of what we should put for the title? Faith? Okay, so like favorite activities maybe?
No, favorite exercises?
Sure. Because these are like things you do to keep active, right? So how about favorite ways to exercise?
I got one.
What would be another? I'm gonna write this one, but go ahead, Emma. What were you thinking?
I was gonna say what people like to do more.
Okay. So I didn't think we should put exercises because I don't know, when I think exercises, doesn't it seem like you're thinking like jumping jacks and stuff like that,
Yeah.
like sit-ups? So,
yeah, that's why I didn't.
but this is a way that you can get exercise. So favorite ways to exercise. We've got our number of students listed down here, and then we have our activities on the side. Okay, so now we need to think of some questions that we could ask to kind of prove that we know how to read this. So if you've got one, Emmett, go for it.
Would you rather ride a bike to school or skateboard to school?
Great, so that would be like the survey question that we would ask the kids. And now all the kids took the survey, and now let's take a look at the survey. How about I'll ask you the first question. How many kids took this survey? I want everybody looking.
25.
I'm hearing some of you guys say 25. Are there any different guesses?
No.
You all think 25? But there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares.
No, look at them. It says
Look at the
five,
bottom.
10,
These are all
15.
5.
Good, that's great.